And we're back with Griselda's New Year. And we're at Chapter 5, Desdemona's Door. Griselda got a can of blue paint and a brush, and she went to Desdemona Dog's house. Desdemona was painting her kitchen. "Hi there, and Happy New Year again," said Griselda.
"You didn't borrow blue paint from me 3 years ago," said Desdemona.
"I came to help you paint your house," said Griselda. "I will paint the outside of your front door."
"No, thanks," said Desdemona. "I don't like blue doors."
Desdemona closed the door.
"She will like blue when she sees it," said Griselda.
She dipped her brush into the can of paint.
"Brr! It's cold out here," she said. "I wish I had thought of a warm, good deed."
Griselda reached high to paint the top of the door. Blue paint dripped down.
"Oh, my!" said Griselda. "It's raining blue blobs, splotches, and trickles. Maybe I should paint from side to side."
Griselda moved quickly and stepped into the can of paint.
"Now I have a blue foot," said Griselda.
She put down her brush.
"I feel too sticky and too blue and too cold to go on, but I must paint Desdemona's door."
Griselda picked up her brush. She painted Desdemona's door on Desdemona's door. Desdemona's door. Then she went home.
"Now Desdemona will always know where she lives," said Griselda.
We're at Chapter 6, A Fine New Year.
"What a fine new year I've started," said Griselda. "I am a good goose. I am a brave goose, and I have made a lot of someone's happy. I gave Brutus Lion a hug. I helped Morgan Goat see the new year. I painted Desdemona's door."
Griselda looked at her blue foot. Then she felt the bandage on her head and the goosebumps all over her.
"But," she said, "there is someone I have not made happy today. Me! I have a blue foot and a bandage on my head and goosebumps. I must do something for myself."
Griselda put on a white stocking.
"Now my blue foot is not blue any more," she said.
Then Griselda turned her bed all the way around so that the head was where the foot had been. She climbed into bed and pulled the covers over herself. Then she pushed back the covers and got up on the left side of her bed.
"I did not hit my head," said Griselda. "What a brave, happy feeling."
Griselda got a book and went back to bed. She snuggled under the covers.
"A nice, warm, happy New Year to me,"
she said, and she fell asleep. The end. And thank you for reading Griselda's New Year with me. And thanks to Open Library for allowing me to check this book out. Happy New Year and happy reading!